Good evening, everyone. What about others? Have you revised your concepts? And Anjali, I would request you to turn on your camera. Let me show you that. See, can you able to see the screen?
No, sir.
Yes, look at this here. See, whatever I'm just showing here. Yesterday, 11th, on 25th, 25th notes you are unable to see. Look at this here. Just I have given this note. I have given these problems to you guys, right? I have again see these problems I have given to you over there. Like if I just extract anything over here and if I make a PDF of it, so it is not going to be visible. Getting my point? That is not going to be visible if I make a PDF and send it to you. So simply if I write and just send it to you, then you can visible this. So this kind of thing, my handwritten part, everything you can see, right? You can just find out that, right? Am I correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes. See, Tanvi was asking this. Tanvi, was you able to see this? See whatever I'm writing with hand. So handwritten part, did you able to see that?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Hello? Yes or no?
Sir, I was not able to open it. The thing is
He
that.
was not able to open it. He was not in a position. Okay, and any like except 22nd and 25th. Would you able to open except these two?
Yes, sir.
See, what I'm asking is whatever I'm writing with, see, I'm writing with hand this one, right? So this thing I'm writing with hand, everything. I mean, like, handwritten part, you can see the PDF. But if I extract, look at this here. If I just insert something over here, let me show you one second. Ah, look at this here. Hmm. If I extract, if I just insert something over here like this, ah, so this kind of things, if I make a PDF of it, that is not going to be visible on there. So that is what happening actually. So let us make a PDF of this. One second. See, this is has been given, right? Let us make a PDF. So let us give some name. Uh, complex.
Sir, for me, like the PDF is not opening.
Sorry.
The PDF is not opening. It says couldn't preview file.
Yeah. See this one. See, I'm able to open this one, right? Look at this now. I'm clearly able to open this now. See here. See, whatever I made a
Yes,
PDF,
sir.
that is what now I'm able to open that, right? So I do not know why it is, it's not coming with you guys. So this is what I have given, right? Okay, I do not know what was the problem with you. Okay, anyway, so let us try to find out solution for that. So solve this question. Two z plus I divided by z minus ki comma z is equal to x plus iy. Time up. Let me solve the question. Two z plus I divided by z minus ki comma my z is equal to x plus iy. So and k is greater than 0 if the curve represented by real part of u plus imaginary part of u is equal to 1 intersect the y-axis at points P and Q, where PQ is equal to 5 and the value of k is equal to what? All right, how can you find it out? See, first u given, let us write u. U is equal to x plus iy plus I divided by x plus iy minus ki. Look at this. In place of this, in place of z, I'm substituting x plus iy and just doing that. So then u is equal to what? So let me write real parts one side and imaginary parts one side. 2x and I times of 2y plus 1 divided by x plus I times of y minus k. So this is what I wrote. Now can I rationalize this one? So what I'm going to get x minus I times of y minus k divided by x minus I times of y minus k. So if I rationalize it, isn't it? After rationalization, I'm getting that. Yes or no, guys? So this is what I got. Now, what is going to be the numerator now? Multiply this into this. Multiply that. 2x square minus I times of 2x into y minus k plus I times of 2y plus 1 into x plus 2y plus 1 into y minus k divided by a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square. Minus b square means I square y minus k whole square. I is minus I square, which is going to give me minus 1. So minus into minus plus. So here let me write plus. So this is going to be u, right? So u is equal to what I'm going to get now. And let us and he has given what he has given. Look at this here. Real part of u plus imaginary part of u is equal to 1 here. Real part of u and imaginary part of u is equal to 1. So what is my real part? Given that real part of u plus imaginary part of u is equal to 1. So what is my real part here? So here 1 can be, so real part of u. So real part of u plus imaginary part of u. 1 can be written as 1 plus 0 into I. Can I write like that? Both are same, right?
Sure.
Why? Because I can compare both the ways. So what is real part of u here? What is real part of u? Tell me. Real part of u is what? Real part of u is equal to x square. 2x square plus 2 times of y plus 1 into y minus k divided by x square plus y minus k whole square is equal to 1. This is what I got. So real part of u is equal to 2x square plus 2y square minus 2ky plus k plus y minus k minus is equal to this into this x square plus y square plus k square minus 2ky. This will get cancelled, this will get cancelled. Okay, not this. So what I'm going to get now? 2x square minus x square, 1x square, 2y square minus y square, 1y square plus y minus k square minus k square is equal to 0. This is what I got, right? I'm solving the entire question. So after solving what I'm getting here, see here, what I'm doing, I'm just shifting this side, this side, and this side. Everything I'm shifting to the left hand side. Clear? After this, what I'm going to get? And what is saying? Look at this here. He's saying that it intersects the y-axis at point P and Q, where PQ is equal to 5. Intersects y-axis. Intersects y-axis means x value is what? On y-axis, x value is what? 0. So it is intersecting at y-axis. Y-axis. So x value 0. So 0 whole square plus y square plus y minus k square is equal to 0. Right? So this is what I got. So y square minus k square plus y minus k is equal to 0, right? So this is what I remain with now. So next, can I take y minus k common? Y minus k, if I take common, what I'm going to remain with? Y plus k plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is what I remain with. So y minus k is equal to 0. So y plus k plus 1 is equal to 0. So y is equal to k. So y is equal to k and y is equal to what? Minus 1 type of minus 1 of 1 plus k. So this is what I remain with. Getting my point, children? Yes or no? Simple calculation,
Yes.
nothing is there. We are just keep solving. Very simple calculation. You must understand that. So what he has given, distance between point P and Q is 5 given. Given distance between P and Q is given 5. So how can I solve this? See distance. So what is going to be my point P here? Point P. X coordinate is what? 0. Y coordinate is 1k. And what is going to be my Q? What is going to be my Q? X coordinate is 0. Y coordinate is what? Minus 1 time of 1 plus k. So PQ distance. What is the distance of PQ? PQ is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square, 0 minus 0 whole square, plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to 5 given, right? PQ is equal to 5 given, right? So I'm just finding the distance. PQ means distance between the point P and Q. So what I'm going to get here now, squaring on both sides. For removing root, I'm doing squaring on both sides. So what I'll be remain with now, it is looking like a minus b whole square. So minus whole square, which is going to be plus. So a square simple. Look at this here. No need of doing that. Squaring on both sides. If I do squaring on both sides, what I'm going to cancel here? This will get cancelled. What I'll remain with now? Minus 1 minus k is equal to 25. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, minus of 2k plus 1 is equal to 25. So distance, right? Distance means modulus. See, distance means what? Modulus. Guys, what is the meaning of modulus? Modulus means finding the distance. Modulus means distance. So minus of something. Out of, if you remove modulus, what I'm going to get now? 2k plus 1 is equal to 25. So 2k is equal to 24. 2 ones, 2 12s. So what I'm going to remain with now? K is equal to 12 is the final answer. K is equal to 12 is the answer. Yes or no, guys? Make it fast. PQ distance given 5. So found the distance between point P and Q. I got modulus of 2k plus 1. See here, no need of squaring on both sides. He only given the value of PQ. So what I'm going to get now? Look at this. So what we have done, distance between these 2 points, PQ means x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2k minus k. Okay, so whatever we have done, this is correct only. Why? Because like we are finding this, we are finding the distance, right? So this will get cancelled. So correct only. Make it fast. Any doubts, children? Any doubt, guys? Arvind, are
No,
you
sir.
sleeping? Next question. Make it fast. Solve this question. If 4 complex numbers such that z bar minus 2 real part of z and real z minus 2 times of real part of z represent the vertices of a square of side 4 units in the organ plane, then modulus of z is equal to what? Done?
So
See, he has given a square. Let us draw a square. Look at this. Let us take what is the vertices given? Z bar, and one is given that z bar minus 2 times of real part of z bar, and one is given that z minus 2 times of real part of z. So 4 vertices has been given. So we know that in square opposite sides will be equal. Everyone should turn on your cameras. Everyone. This is what has been given. Opposite sides will be equal in square, right? Every sides will be equal. So look at this here. Z is equal to, everyone knows
Sir,
that, plus Iy. Yes.
sir, organ plane means what, sir?
Already we have learned, right?
Yes, sir, but I forgot, sir.
Didn't you revise, man? See here, I told you
No,
that
sir.
organ placement is the x-axis. This is my y-axis. Principal argument. Principal argument. Have you learned?
Okay, yes, now understood.
Ah,
Got it.
about principal argument. After learning that only we learned that. Okay, that is what the
Yes, sir, now
so
I got
x-axis,
it, sir,
real axis,
remembered.
imaginary axis will be having
Yes, sir, yes.
point origin to, oh, sorry, origin to point P distance. That is what, right? Modulus of z. So x plus z is equal to x plus iy given. So let z is equal to this one will take. Represent vertices of a square of 4 units. Of sides how much? This side how much? 4 units. So this side is all. This side is also will be 4 units. This side also will be 4 units. This side also will be 4 units. All sides will be 4 units, 4 units, 4 units in a square. Since all sides are equal to each other. Getting my point? Yes or no? Huh. So he is talking about Z bar as well. Look at this here. He's talking about Z bar as well. So Z bar is going to be what? Conjugate of this complex number, which is going to become x minus iy. All right, x minus iy. So first, so z minus 2 times of real part of z is what? Let us say. Let us check that. Z minus 2 times of real part of z. 2 times of real part of z. Real part of z is what here? 2 times of real part of z is what? X. That is what, right? Instead of doing that, let me say, better we'll do this one. Z minus modulus of z minus z bar is what? Is equal to 4. What is that? See, difference between this vertices and this vertex. Difference between these two is what? This minus this man. What I'm going to get? What is the difference between these two? 4 units only, right? So z minus, or else you take this one. Difference between this, see, this difference between this and this is what? What is the difference? How many units difference? We have 4 units of difference, isn't it? Can I take z minus z bar, which is going to give me 4 units. So look at this now. Z is what here? X plus iy minus x. Z bar is what? X minus iy is equal to 4. X plus iy minus x plus iy. So this will get cancelled. Modulus is equal to 4. Getting, children, here main thing is to understand this one. What is the meaning of this? Difference of this and this is what? 4 units. Isn't it? Yes, that is what I wrote there. Difference of z and z bar. So 2 times of iy is equal to 4 I got. 2 times of I is equal to 4 I got. Isn't it? So modulus of something is what? So real part is 0 here. Imaginary part is 2y square, which is equal to 4. So 2y square is equal to 4 square root. 2y square, 2y whole square is equal to 4. So what I'm going to get here now? Tell me. So square root will get cancelled. So y is equal to 2 I'm going to get. Yes or no? 2y is equal to 4 means y is equal to 2. Clear? Yes or no, guys? So now let us go back to the question again. Then modulus of z is what he's asking. He's asking us to find modulus of z. I got y is equal to 2. See, for getting x value, what I must do? See here. Try to understand carefully. Difference of these two vertices is what? 4 given. This was also 4, right? Now can I take like this? Difference of these two is what? Or difference of these two is what? Anything you take. For getting x, look at this here. What is the difference of these two? This is also 4 units. So what is the difference of these two? Tell me, guys. Z minus z plus 2 times of real part of z is also 4. This one minus this one. Difference means what? Different. How many units we have? What is the difference between these vertex, these vertices and this vertex? Clear? So z minus z plus 2 times of real part of z. Clear? Now what can I make here? Tell me. So this will get cancelled. 2 times of real part of z is equal to 4. So 2 ones, 2 twos. Real part of z is what? X is equal to 2. Real part of z is what? 2. So I got x and y now. So he's asking for modulus of z. So we know that z is equal to x plus iy. Modulus of z is he's asking. Modulus of z is what? Real part of the whole square plus imaginary part of the whole square. So x square, I know that 2 square. Y square also I know that 4 square. So 2 square, which is going to give me 4 plus 4, which is going to give me root 8 or 2 times of root 2. 2 times of root 2. So this is what my modulus of Z. This is what my answer. Any doubt, guys? Any doubts here? Tell me. Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Understood. See here, let me explain the concept here. Nothing is here. For suppose, let me make you to understand clearly. See here, everyone, try to understand this. If I write, look at this here, if I A and this is B, this is C, this is D. Let us try to understand that, right? So I have given that the distance between these two sides, two vertices is 4 units. So why? Because everywhere we have same, like everywhere, all sides will be equal in a square, right? So now can I write B minus C is equal to 4? B minus C. What is the meaning of B minus C? What is the difference of this point and this point? Difference between these 2 points is what? 4 units only, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So that is what I'm writing here. Now difference between this point and this point is what? That is also 4 units. So A minus B is all of 4. That's what I have done here. So difference between this Z and Z bar, how much? 4 given. For solving Y, I just took that. For solving X, I just took this one. That is also 4 units. Getting my point? Yes or no, guys? Understood? Any doubt here?
Yes, sir.
Very simple question.
No, sir.
Let us try to understand this exam. So next question. Solve the sixth one. Very simple concept. For complex number Z, argument of Z lies between argument of Z belongs to minus pi to plus pi. So then argument of this is what? Argument of this is equal to what? This is what given here. And he's saying that I square is equal to minus 1. Solve that. Make it fast. Done? Very simple, guys. Very simple. Look at this. How many of you heard about the trigonometry formulas? Look at this here. 1 plus cos. Can I write like this? 2 times of 3 pi by 7 plus I sine 2 times of 3 pi by 7. Can I write like this? Cos 2 theta and sine 2 theta. So W is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta formula is what? I know that 2 cos what is the formula? Cos 2 theta formula in terms of cos. Cos
Sir,
2 theta formula is what? 2 cos square theta minus 1. Yes.
sir, you wrote cos 6 pi by 7 as cos 2 into 3 pi by 7 you wrote, no, sir?
Yes, why? Because 2, yes, 2 3 are 6, right? I can write like
Yes,
that.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, but then it will become 3 pi r square by 14, no, sir? Sorry, 6 pi r square, sir.
How?
6 by 14 it will become, no, sir? 6 pi by 14.
Hey, Tambi, look at this.
No.
Do you know multiplication, fraction multiplication? See here,
Yes, sir.
2 into 3 by 4. It will be multiplying with a numerator